everyone, and welcome back to Feature Highlights on PeepSo TV channel. I'm your host Sinisha, and in today's episode, I want to show you the LearnDash integration. LearnDash is one of the most popular learning management systems or LMS plugins that can transform your entire website into a learning platform. I had a lot of fun setting up this plugin for this video, and I can't wait to show you all the possibilities that you can achieve by using the LearnDash and PeepSo integration and even some other integrations as well. So let's begin. First and foremost, to download the LearnDash, you will actually need to buy it. And this is the only paid add-on that we integrate with. All other integrations that we provide are using the free version of the base plugin, and LearnDash is an exception to that rule. In order to actually use this integration, you will have to go to LearnDash.com and buy the LearnDash. There is no free version of it. If you go to the WordPress plugins directory and search for LearnDash, you will find a lot of different integration and extension plugins, but the base plugin needs to be purchased from the respective developer website by going to LearnDash.com and then switching to pricing and choosing your package. Once you choose your package, download the LearnDash from your account and install it on your WordPress as you will install any other plugin by uploading it. Let me quickly show how to do that. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Here I have a clean WordPress with nothing on it, but you can install it on the website with already existing content. Simply go to your WordPress dashboard, then Plugins, Add New, and click on Upload Plugin, choose the file, and find the LearnDash installation zip package that you just downloaded on your computer. Install it now and activate the plugin. Immediately, you will be greeted with this wizard screen setting the LearnDash, where it is going to ask you for the license number and similar information. Sorry. You can dismiss the setup wizard like I do right here. And if you want to come back to it, you have this mini bootcamp that you can also dismiss, or go back to LearnDash overview and enable the bootcamp right over here. Enter your email and the license key and save it. For now, I'm gonna hide the LearnDash bootcamp because setting up the courses, lessons, topics, and quizzes will take a really lot of time. So I strongly suggest that you go and check the LearnDash documentation to learn how to do that. I already have the site set up with the courses, so we're gonna switch back to that website and use it in this guide. LearnDash documentation is really extensive and it's usually made with videos. To access it, go back to the website and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you find this documentation link. Click on it and here search for anything you want. Let's say creating courses. Search for it and you will have all of these results teaching you how to create courses or do many different things with it. Right now, in this our standard website, we have one course that I'm going to use into this example, and I'm going to create another one from scratch. So you'll learn how to create course as well and integrate it with PeepSo. But before we start to do that, once you have LearnDash installed on your website, go to PeepSo installer, wait for your license to be checked. Scroll down until you find the LearnDash integration plugin, install it and activate it. I already have it set it up, but you need to do this in order to connect PeepSo with LearnDash, right? So LearnDash base plugin is installed first and integration plugin installed and activated after that. As soon as you activate this plugin, there will be an additional configuration in PeepSo, which is obviously called LearnDash, and there's a lot of it. So let's go together through this configuration and see what all of these options do. Let's focus on the left-hand side of the options first, and then we are going to check what's on the other side. So in the profiles, I'm gonna enable the tab for the courses, save the settings, and now if I go to the profile page, there will be a new tab with courses. It's displaying this description of a course. We're going to beautify this a little bit later. Go back to the settings, and here you can hide courses if you want. So if I don't want this course to show up in the Ben Dunmer's profile, I will actually need to find out the ID of this course and then enter it here with the comma separation. So if the ID of this course is, let's say, 17, I will add it here, and then if I want to add another exception with the ID of 354, I will do it like this, and then ID with 54 like this, and ID 48, for example. But how do you find out all of these IDs? You will actually have to go back to the LearnDash courses and then open the course. And in the page that opens, you will find this post 175. So the 175 is actually the ID of the course. So let's quickly hide that 175, go back to PeepSo configuration, LearnDash, and enter 175, and save the settings, refresh the profile page, go to Courses tab, and now it's not going to show anything. I am not going to hide this course because I need it for the demonstration purposes. Two-column layout. You see how, let's save these settings and refresh the page. You see how it's displayed in basically one column. I can add another and say bot's height will be 350 pixels. Save the settings, refresh the page, and now it's showing in two columns. Because Ben Dunmer is enrolled only in one course, this right side is empty, but if there was any other course, it will be displayed here. Come back to the settings. Bot's height is simply the height of the bots that is going to be shown. Let's change it to 45 pixels, for example, to see how it's going to show. It's not great, right? So you need to be careful with this option in order to display it properly. Save the settings. Text. I'm gonna enable the title of the course, and the description length is going to be 50 words. I can change it to, let's say, 100 words. Save the settings. Refresh this page, and now we are showing the title of the course and 100 words of the description. Aggressive shortcode removal simply means that if this option is enabled, if there are any shortcode here in the description, it will be removed aggressively. So it's not going to show any shortcodes. And finally, featured image. I'm gonna show the featured image. Position of it will be at the top. Left or right is also an option. I'm going to keep it on top, and height of the image is going to be 150 pixels. Save the settings. Refresh the page, and this looks much better now, right? If there is no featured image in the course, let's quickly arrange that. Edit this course and find the featured image. Let's remove this featured image and update the course. Obviously, it will not be displayed, but here in the options back in PeepSo configuration LearnDash, I can enable the placeholder image. Save the settings. Refresh the page, and now the placeholder image will be displayed. Let's come back to the course and enable the featured image back, because it simply looks nicer with it. To do that, find the featured image, set the featured image, and update the course. Refresh this page, and the featured image is back. On the right-hand side of the configuration for the LearnDash, you have an option to post to activity when user enroll in a course or user complete a course. But before we enable that, let's see this advanced pane, and let's change the label of the profile tab. So we want to change this courses label. We can do it here by entering whatever. Save the settings, refresh the page, and now the title will be changed. We can also change the profile slug, and the profile slug is basically this part over here saying courses. Let's change it to whatever. Now we need to go back to the profile because this page does not exist anymore. It will return the empty page if we simply try to refresh the page. So I'm gonna go back to my profile and then open this new tab and see how URL have changed to a new slug. You need to be careful what you enter for the slug, because if you enter the existing slot like photos, videos, and groups, there will be a conflict. I strongly recommend you to keep these advanced options by their default, but if you want to change it, you can, but please be careful. You can also change the custom icon. So if you don't like this icon over here, you can change it with the custom icon CSS class. Let's save this option to remove the profile label and slug and revert it to its originals. So courses is the original and the slug is the courses as well. Okay, so let's enable the post to activity stream when user enroll in a course, and enable the activity stream creation when user complete a course. I can change the privacy of these posts to be public or site members, and I can also change the action text. I'm gonna leave it blank for now, but soon I'm gonna change that as well. Save the settings, and now we have set up all the options available in PeepSo integration itself. I am now logged in as a regular user, the user who doesn't really know that there is even a LearnDash on the website. So how in the world will they find out that you have courses on the website, and how they can access it? So let's remedy that real quickly. Let's go back to our WordPress dashboard and then go to Appearance, Menus. In the menus, we're first going to create a custom link. You can already see that there are some courses, lessons, topics, quizzes, and stuff like that. But I'm going to add the custom link that is not going to lead anywhere, and it's going to be called LearnDash. I'm gonna add this to the menu and save the menu. This in turn will cause this LearnDash link to show up here, but it's not leading anywhere. Okay, to fix that, go to Pages and add New. Give it a title, let's say Courses List. And now click on the plus icon over here to add a block. In the search, look for LearnDash. And immediately you can see that I can use this block to display the list of all courses available on the website. So let's do just that. Publish this page. Go back to the WordPress admin. Go back to Menus. I'm already here in Appearance, Menus. And look for your new page that we just have created. If you cannot find it, you can search for it. Here it is, Courses List. Add to menu, and I'm going to make it a sub-menu of our previously added menu item. Save this menu, refresh the page, and now we're going to have a courses list over here. And if I go to the regular profile, I can see it as well. Here in the courses list, we can find that there is just one course available here. I can style this page by removing the title. So let's do just that real quickly. Go back to Pages. edit the page. In Deco options, I can hide the page title, and I can style this page even more. If I want to add some text or featured image or anything really, I can do it here. Let's update it. Refresh the page, and now our regular users can access this page with all of the courses available. So let's check it out. Open this PeepSo Future Highlights course, and you will immediately see a lot of things changed on our website. There are some new widgets in the right sidebar, and I'm having an option to enroll this free course available on the website. And I can see what's in it. So let's enroll this free course, and I can start learning. Come back to the community, and immediately the activity stream item is created that Bruce Hawking is enrolled in a course. Let's quickly copy this enrolled in a course part and go back to the PeepSo integration configuration with LearnDash and change that action text is going to be taken a course. Save the settings, go back, refresh the page, and you will immediately see the change, right? So this what our the action text option is. Let's keep it by default. In a similar fashion, you can change the activity stream action text when user complete a course. In order for this activity stream item to show up, user will actually have to complete a course. So let's do that together. Let's go back to the courses list, and I'm already enrolled in it. Let's ignore these groups related to the course and about the course instructor. I'm going to explain these widgets after I complete this course. In the process of creating a new course, we are also going to add related groups and the widgets. So let's start with lesson 1. In this lesson 1, I can see the video of this lesson and mark it as complete. Immediately, the lesson number 2 is going to be displayed, and as you see in the description, you don't necessarily have to post a video. A lesson can be written in a plain text, and it also supports all kind of formatting as well. Let's mark the lesson 2 as complete, and immediately we are opening the lesson 3. After we watch this video, we are going to mark it as complete, and finally lesson 4, let's mark it as complete. And once you complete all of the lessons, you can start a quiz. So let's start it. And let's check all of the options here. In order to create any kind of integration with Amazon AWS, one needs to create the account on Amazon. The answer is obviously yes. Read the sentence carefully and write your answer. Advanced Ads is a plugin that allows creation of targeted, show me the hint, advertisement. So the answer is ads. Does PeepSo allow for offloading the photos and videos to S3 storage? Yes. One of the Amazon services is Elastic Transcoder. What is the purpose of it? An elastic muscle that strengthens the transcoding of my website? No. Tool that transcodes the ancient manuscripts, and a video conversion tool. What is the Gecko landing page? Now, this is the multiple select option, a page that will be set up to redirect all non-logged-in users to it. Yes, that is the correct answer. A page that shows your user profile, that is not the correct answer. A page for registration is also not the correct answer. A special page layout in Gecko theme, that is the correct answer. Finish the quiz, and I completed this course and the quiz. So let's check our community. And now Bruce Hawkins has completed the course PeepSo feature highlights. And you can see that Bruce also got this new icon, PeepSo Quit Learners, right? Now I'm going to show you how to set up the VIP integration and also the groups integration with it. Because if I go to the groups and check this PeepSo feature highlights groups, check the members, you will see that Bruce is the member of this group, but I never really manually went to this group. I've been added automatically. All of this magic with adding VIP icons and adding people to the groups is happening in the background and depends on how you set your courses. So before I create a new course, I will come back to the front end of my website and create a new group. Let's just call it Piano Players. Give it some description and create this group. Let's change the cover image to reflect our group better. And I'm going to keep it at that. I'm not going to change the avatar. Now go back to the WordPress dashboard, go to LearnDash Courses and click on Add New. Give it a course title. Let's call it Learn How to Play Piano. And here you can add the course content or the description. This description over here that you enter in this area is simply a description shown here, right? This is the course description. It is not a course content, but just a course description. If I copy that and paste it here, I will have basically the same description as this course over here. I don't want to do that, so I'm just going to leave it empty for now. Let's keep this title, but I'm gonna add the description off screen. And here I can say, hey, this is the Learn How to Play Piano course, right? But I also have this group, Piano Players, on my website, and I can say this is the related content for this course. You see how this course is showing about the course instructor, and I removed the group widget so I can show it to you right now how it's going to display over here. So I'm going to say this group is the related content for this particular course, and I'm also going to add users automatically to this group when they enroll the course. Also, when users complete this course, I am going to give them the PeepSo Quit Learners VIP icon, and I'm going to publish this course. That's all for now. Now that we have our course created, let's go to Appearance and then Widgets. Find the location where we want to publish the widgets. In my case, I'm going to publish them in the right sidebar of my website. So it's going to be sidebar right. And click on this plus icon over here, Add Block. In it, search for PeepSo and find the widgets. If you don't find them here, click on Browse All and then search for PeepSo, and you will see these two new widgets available: PeepSo LearnDash Courses and Groups integration and PeepSo LearnDash About Course Instructor. So let's first add this LearnDash Courses and Groups integration. Click on it, and there are several options over here that we can set up. First of them is the title of the widget when we visit the course page. The title will be groups related to this course, and of course you can change it if you want. But when we are on the groups, when we are on the group page, the title will be courses related to this group. So let's save that widget and see how that reflects our page. Because we are not on the group page and we are not on the course page, we don't really see that widget over here, right? There's nothing displayed, although the widget should be showing. Let's change the position so it's on the top. Update, refresh the page, and there's nothing. There is no widget, right? There is just latest photos and latest media as shown here. But if we go to the groups page and then open this piano players group, now we can see that this widget is showing courses related to this group, learn how to play piano, right? So all of the members of these groups will see that there is a course related to their group and they can partake in it. If we go to the list of all courses and open Learn How to Play Piano, now we see that the groups related to this course is displayed over here. Okay? So that's the groups integration, and it's working only because we said to show these groups as related to this course and automatically add users to PeepSo groups when they enroll in this course and give them the icon when they complete it. Okay, so let's update this course. What I want to do now is add another widget that will allow me to display an information about the owner of the course or instructor in the course. So let's go back to the WordPress dashboard, switch to widgets. In the sidebar right, click on a plus icon, browse all, and then once again look for PeepSo and find this About Course Instructor widget. Add it. You can change the title. You can override Instructor ID if you want, for example, to use your admin ID so users can contact admins instead of instructor IDs. Leave it empty. The course author is going to be the course instructor, and enable chat button. This widget will print About Me profile field without checking the field privacy. So be careful. What that means is that when I create a course, I created the course as this user, and About Me is going to be this. If I set it to be set as only me, everyone will still be able to see it because the privacy will not be checked. So this will always be public regardless of what user set up here. So let's save this widget. Actually, let's bring it up to the top and then update. Now, if we go to the courses list, learn how to play piano, and this is the About the Course Instructor widget. There is no button to send me a message because I cannot message myself. But if I go here as a regular user, and let's refresh this PeepSo feature highlights. No, that's a group. Let's go back to the courses. Now I have an option to start a chat with Ben, right? And why is there no related content for this particular course? Let me just check that really quick. Go back to courses, edit. And yeah, I didn't add show these groups. Okay, this is the related content. Add the people to this group and assign them the icon. Okay. Now, when I refresh the page, I can see that this is the related group for this course. This is the teacher. This is the instructor, and I can start a chat with him. When we are at the subject of integrations and connectivity with different plugins, LearnDash also integrates with many different kind of plugins, two of which are BadgeOS and MyCred. And guess what? PeepSo also integrates with these two plugins. So let me explain how this can work. I am not going to set up anything here because BadgeOS and MyCred are scheduled to be PeepSo feature highlight video on their own, but I'm just going to explain that with this plugin you can add badges to your users when they accomplish certain tasks. For example, you can set up the LearnDash to assign the badge when people complete the course, and then display that badge into their profile, similarly to VIP icons. So Bruce Hawkins he completed this course, obviously, and you can award the badge icon to him. And immediately after that, that badge icon will be displayed in his profile. Okay, likewise, MyCred is going to be a subject of his own in the next couple of episodes of PeepSo feature highlights. But this plugin basically allows you to add a gamification aspect to your website and award your users with points, or however you want to call them, credits, whatever. So basically, when user create a post, upload the image, create a group, like something, and many different actions, you can award a certain points to those users, and then they can use those points to purchase the access to the courses. And yes, you heard that right. I said purchase because this is the monetization integration after all. you can actually sell the access to the LearnDash courses. If you go back to the LearnDash options and in the settings, you can find the payments option, and you can connect the Stripe to your account, to your Stripe account, PayPal, and if you have MyCred integration, there will be a new option to pay with MyCred points, right? All of this settings can be configured in the LearnDash, and I strongly recommend that you go to learndash.com/support, where you can find all the documentation regarding all kinds of different options that you can set up in the LearnDash. One last thing I wanted to cover is mostly a cosmetic thing that you probably already have enabled, but it's good to know how to set it up if you don't have it enabled. Notice this avatar over here. It's not really reflecting my avatar displayed in the PeepSo. And if I go in the pages and add new page and say, for example, my LearnDash, and choose a block, let's search for LearnDash, and say LearnDash profile, you will see this little page that is showing me all the courses that I have enrolled in, and how many have I completed, certificates, points earned, and I'm going to publish this page. Let's add it to the menu so I can access it easier. Here it is, add to menu, and it's going to be a sub-menu of the LearnDash menu. Let's refresh the page. My LearnDash. Now you can see this disparity between avatars over here, right? To fix this, go to PeepSo, then Configuration, Appearance, and in the avatar section, use PeepSo avatars everywhere. Enable that option and save the settings. Now when I refresh the page, I'm using PeepSo avatars everywhere. And that is all I have for you in this video. So let's recap what we have learned. First of all, we installed the LearnDash, which is a paid plugin and it doesn't have a free version, so you need to pay for it. Then we installed the integration plugin by going into Installer, checking the license. Here it is. In the monetization section, we installed the LearnDash integration. All of the options are available here in PeepSo configuration. LearnDash. We learned how to set up all of these options and what will they do when enabled or changed. And we also briefly touched on the subject of creating a course with the LearnDash. In there, we learned how to connect groups as a related content, and then also add users to the groups when they enroll the course automatically. We also learned how to assign the VIP icon when people complete the course. Okay. We also found out about widgets showing the related groups and related content, as well as showing the information about the course instructor. And finally, we learned how to add the LearnDash pages. All right. So once again, I would like to direct your attention to this specific page, as this is your friend, because you can find all kind of different options and different guides how to set up LearnDash on your website. All right, so I hope you found this video useful and you learned something new today. If you liked it, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and smash that bell notification icon everyone is talking about. Don't forget to follow us on social media. And until the next video, I wish you all the best with your website. Bye!